Hey, what's up guys, it's Samir, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how you can make a beautiful thumbnail for your videos or for your Facebook or any other social media platform in just under 2 minutes. All you have to do is follow these steps and your quick thumbnail will be ready. This is absolutely free, anybody can do that. You don't need to have expert knowledge to make this, so just watch this video. And before moving forward, if you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos. So first of all, you have to open your browser, and from here you have to go into this website, which is called canva.com. There is no restriction on what browser you will use. You can use any internet browser, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox. It works exactly the same way. Very easy and straightforward website. You can sign in with your Google account or Facebook account, and then click on the create design section. Custom dimensions, entirely up to you. Start with an image, entirely up to you. Then suggested options: Instagram logo, presentation, video, poster, animated social media, Instagram story with the 1080 by 1920, and then we have a flyer. You have story, then you have Facebook story, cards. There is a whole range of options. For example, Facebook icon or YouTube icon, and then menu and YouTube video ad. You can name anything, and this will give you a lot of options which you can use for absolutely free. So we will go for YouTube, and it will show a couple of other options. For example, today we are going to make a thumbnail for YouTube, so it will automatically set the resolution. And as you can see on these sections, on my left side we have pre-built templates which you can pick and choose, and you can do some search here. There are plenty of them, and you don't have to look around in order to find them. So let's take on this one, and let's look at this one. Okay, so we will use this one. As you can see that this is a background which you can delete if you like. Control Z, exactly the same way that works on Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 8 PC. Then you can change the size of this. You can change the color of the background. On the subheading, you can change this to any color you like. You can explore this segment, but since we are making a quick one, so I will show you that how you can do that. I always use this side, and I basically pick and choose those designs from here, and we will leave it as it is. We can increase the size. Then we have this line, basically that defines different colors, designing, and different options for formatting. Then we have positioning, then we have background blur, locking and unlocking, adding another duplicate, another page, and then we have notes if you want to add any notes, and this one is for sharing on different platforms. So go through these options, and then look for these options as well. So as I mentioned, we will just make a simple one: how to make thumbnail for YouTube, or how to make quick thumbnail. So basically, as you can see that the size is quite big, it's not even fitting into this segment. So we will reduce the size to 80, and this section, as you can see that this basically adjusts your spacing issues if it's going outside the line. And then if you click on this one, then we have a line height, so then you can change that as well. And we will stick with this section actually. If you want to remove this, you can always remove that, that's absolutely fine. But we'll leave it as it is, and we'll make this thumbnail for this video. And guys, this is like one fine example. And for example, we have to change this. We can just go on the background section for another quick one. Let's pick this one, or let's pick this one. That's a multicolor, easy to back on. Then we can add Another one, I mean, the backgrounds are there are plenty of them. Most of them they are free, almost 80 to 90%. 5% or 10% are for pro version. If you would like to subscribe to the pro version, you can buy this on this home section. There's an option to buy the Canva Pro that gives you more in-depth detailed formatting options and designing tools. But since we are looking into this, we are trying to make a free one. So let's pick this one. That's like a random background. And then if you look at the text section, we have plenty of free options here. Let's pick this one, guys. That will be very, very prominent and it will be very bright. If you want to delete, as you can see, there are two boxes here. If you want to delete the bottom one, we will just delete the delete seg element. If you click on the delete group, it will delete the whole group. So how to we will keep it like this, and from here you can always reduce and increase the size of the text. You can do that by going into this section as well. You can grab that from here and you can grab from this side as well. So this is one part. So we will keep it very small, or like we will keep it to 100 in size so anybody can read it. How to make, we will keep it small as well because that's not our priority. Our priority is to keep the third part, how to make thumbnails. Okay, as you can see that we have created this one, and we will reduce the size again, and I'll just show you the magic on this one. So let's say we keep it like this and we increase the size on this one, so we keep it more small, so just to give it a better look. Now the magic part started. As you can see that we have this section and then we have this section. Let's pick something very quickly which can be very, very prominent, and we can change the colors on the background, and then we can change this to white, or we will leave it like this, and then we will change this one to white, this one to black, and this one to yellow, and this one to red. Then you have if you want to upload a photo, you can always make a background free thumbnail option, and you can always add on your page by going into this website, which is called remove this BG. If you can't find an image without let's say Samsung S20, you can go into the images section. If you want to copy this image into your background page, if you copy directly, then it will have the background combined with this image, which is not what we are looking forward. So we will just copy this image from here. We can copy and paste into this section, and then we can wait for the website to remove the background. This is original background with the white curtain on the back, and this one is removed background. So if we copy this image from here, guys, remember it's very easy, copy and then come back to this page and you can paste it here. So this will become your page image as well. So by doing this, you can copy and paste images from different areas. So this is how you can make a thumbnail in less than 2 minutes. I'll show you like few examples and the images I have been making on this. So these are plenty of them which I have tried in the past. This one I made yesterday, and we can make a copy of this one. This is a copy actually. You can click on this section, make a copy, and we can delete these, we can delete these, we can delete these. We can change the background to, for example, this one, or we can leave it as it is where it was. So we can change, this one is basically an image which you can change, reduce the size on that, and you can add how to make. Then you can always come back and change this onto this section, so this becomes very prominent, guys. As you can see how to make, then you can copy this one, Control C, thumbnails. You can always reduce the size if you want to stretch this out to the page, and you can always increase the size. So this is how you can make thumbnails for your YouTube or other online platforms. Very easy, guys. Super easy. I hope you have liked it, and you can make beautiful thumbnails from this page. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned. I'll come back with more videos. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.